How you doing, folks? Vinny here from We Do Planes. Just a short video here regarding headrails, vertical headrails. Some of you are aware in terms of plane systems that vertical plane system use a headrail. Okay, so something quite similar to this thing here that I'm holding. I'm hoping that you can see that. And very often the question that we get asked is in terms of headrails is the hooks on the headrails, which are actually these things here, okay, these little hook things, okay, and this is the way they come in their raw form. Very often what happens sometimes is they get broken, okay, and people say to us, could you stick a couple of hooks back in the rail for me? Sure, it's only a couple of hooks that's broke, but I want to give you an indication as to what the issue is when it's a couple of hooks, okay. So it's quite a complex process. So it is. All of these hooks all come as separate components, okay, and you have left hooks and right hooks, okay. So left, we call them travellers, okay. So you have left travellers and you have right travellers, okay, and within these travellers, each and every part of your reel, if you have a wee look at this, comes apart and it's all built up individually, each and every individual section, including all of the cord. And the problem with the hooks is that if you break a couple of hooks, then this cord, which is the cord that splits your blinds, okay, splits your blinds back and forward, or open and closed, shall we say, runs through each and every one of these travellers, or these hooks, twice, okay. So you can see here on the side of this, there's two small holes. So this cord travels in through all of these travellers right to the very end of the rail and comes back the whole way through. So it's almost kind of like a big loop, okay. So the problem is, whenever you say to us it's just a couple of hooks, right, what we have to do is we have to dissect the rail, split it all apart, take all of the travellers off this thing here, which is called the tilt rod, okay, which is the rod that tilts and closes the louver on the blind. So everything has to be stripped out, and we take out the broken parts, which is the hooks, put them back together again, and have to reassemble the whole rail. And the problem is, if these rails are old, sometimes they're all brittle, and the plastic becomes very brittle on it. So it does. So, and the issue is there is that, if we use older parts along with newer parts, then there's a higher risk of them breaking. So when we say to you that it's more economical to replace it with a new rail, then we mean that it's more economical to replace it with a new rail, because if we were charging to go in and repair the old rail, then we charge in time. So it's extra time to take down the old rail, break it apart, put new parts on it and reassemble it on again, as opposed to actually building a new rail, which we do through all of these separate components that you see here, okay. So each and every part of these rails all come separately. So there you go, just a wee bit now about how headrails work and how not easy, or not so easy, should I say, it is to replace the hooks. So, thanks.